Okay. Now the next point is the electrochemical reaction. The electrochemical reaction is the chemical reaction that occur in a electrochemical cell in which the electrons are transferred from one place to another place is called as electrochemical reaction. For example, this is the electrochemical cell. This is the electrochemical cell, and in this electrochemical cell, the reaction occur is Na plus gives electron to form a Na. This is the reduction reaction. This is the reduction reaction. Also, the another reaction occur in this cell, that is twice Cl minus gives Cl2 release a 2 electron. This is the oxidation reaction. This chemical reaction which is occur in this electrochemical cell. During this chemical reaction occur in this electrochemical cell, the electrons are transferred from one point, that is one place to another place. Such a types of a chemical reaction which is occur in a electrochemical cell. Such a chemical reaction is called as electrochemical reaction. Okay. Now next, electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. The device that used to study of a chemical reaction electrically, such a cell or device is called as electrochemical cell. Okay. Now this is the device or cell. This cell used to study of this chemical reaction. Therefore, such types of a device or cell is called as electrochemical cell. Generally, the electrochemical cell having got two types of electrode. That is anode and cathode. Anode and cathode. Okay. Now first of all, what is meant by electrode? The electrode are the surface on which oxidation and a reduction of reaction occurs is called as electrode. This is the electrode. In this cell, this is the electrode. Okay. Now in this electrode, the oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction occur, therefore called as electrode. Okay. Now electrode having two types, that is anode and cathode. So first of all, anode. The electrode on which the oxidation of reaction occur, such a electrode is called as anode. The electrode on which oxidation of reaction occurs, therefore such electrode is called as anode. This is the anode. Okay. Now in this electrode, this chemical reaction, that is oxidation of reaction, is occur, therefore such electrode is called as anode. Okay. Now second is cathode. The electrode on which reduction of reaction occur, such electrode is called as cathode. Here, this is the cathode, and in this electrode, this chemical reaction is occur. This chemical reaction. Okay. This is the reduction of reaction. This reduction of reaction occur in this electrode. Therefore, this electrode is called as cathode. Okay. Now, the electrochemical cell having got two types. Electrochemical cell having got two types. First, electrolytic cell, and second, galvanic, which is also called as voltaic cell. Okay. The electrochemical cell having got two types. First, electrolytic cell, and second is galvanic, which is also called as voltaic cell. Okay. Now let's see one by one. Okay. Now first, definition. First point, definition of electrolytic cell. The electrochemical cell in which non-spontaneous chemical reaction occur by the direct passing of current from external source into the solution, which is called as, or such types of electrochemical cell is called as electrolytic cell. The electrolytic cell It is the electrochemical cell in which non-spontaneous chemical reaction occur due to the transfer of current from external source into the solution. Such types of electrochemical cell is called as electrolytic cell. For example, second point, for example, electrolysis of fused or molten NaCl, fused or molten NaCl here. Okay, now this is the electrochemical cell. In this electrochemical cell, the non-spontaneous chemical reaction, this is non-spontaneous chemical reaction occurs due to the transfer of current from external source into the solution. Therefore, such types of electrochemical cell is called as electrolytic cell. For example, electrolysis of fused or molten NaCl. Okay, now galvanic cell. The first point is the definition. Okay, the electrochemical cell in which spontaneous chemical reaction produce the electricity. Such types of electrochemical cell is called as galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Okay, for example, second point, dry cell. In a dry cell, the spontaneous chemical reaction produce the electricity. Therefore, such types of electrochemical cell is called as galvanic or voltaic cell. Okay, now third point, in an electrolytic cell, the electrical energy converted into chemical energy. Electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Let's see here. Electric current passed into the solution, and due to this electric current or electric energy is converted into chemical energy here to form a sodium and chlorine gas. That means the electrical energy converted into chemical energy in a electrolytic cell. Okay, now in case of galvanic cell, the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. In a galvanic cell, the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. For example, dry cell, Nippo, Eveready, these are the dry cell. In a dry cell, the chemical present in the dry cell, the chemical reaction occur in a galvanic cell, and due to this the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy in a galvanic cell. Okay, now fourth point, in an electrolytic cell, the electron are transferred from positive end to negative end, that is from anode to cathode. Okay, now in an electrolytic cell, the electron are transferred from positive end to negative end, that is from anode to cathode. That means in electrolytic cell, the positive end is called as anode, or which is act as a anode, and negative end which is act as a cathode. That is in an electrolytic cell, the electron are transferred from positive end, that is from anode, to negative end, that is cathode. Okay, now in case of galvanic cell, the electron are transferred from negative end to positive end, that is from anode to cathode. That means in a galvanic cell, the negative end is act as a anode, while the positive end act as a cathode. That is, in a galvanic cell, the electron are transferred from negative end to positive end, that is from anode to cathode. Okay.